Hello guys, how are you doing? You must be listening a lot about 6G technologies nowadays. But do you know what features 6G technologies will have? Before starting this video, let me put a disclaimer. It is very difficult to predict exact 6G technology features. In fact, it was the case scientists started working on 5G technology. The research on 5G started around 2009, but the exact feature of 5G technologies were defined with other standardization bodies much later in 2015. Similar uncertainties when the prediction of 3G and 4G are made at the time of their inception. For the past experience, we can predict the following feature of 6G will be around 100 GB per second as compared to just 20 GB per second maximum data rate of 5G. In fact, 6G data rate won't be the main attraction. The latency rate of 5G, which is around 1 millisecond, would be further reduced to microseconds. Device densities and connectivity will be much higher than the 5G one. A real digital ecosystem would be realized in 6G. Moreover, energy and spectral efficiency will be certainly better than 5G. Due to high-speed nature, more artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning applications will be definitely found in 6G. In fact, mobile handset would not be used for just communication, rather they would become personal digital assistants for individuals. 6G will be a hybrid ubiquitous network which would incorporate all advanced contemporary technologies. 6G optical network would play a bigger role than any previous generation. Security, of course, is expected to be much higher. Both quantum communication and cryptography are expected to be deployed in 6G. More complex devices to devices communication will be there in 6G, of course. And one most important feature that 6G would be a hybrid system, which means it will be a combination of both optical and wireless communication. And 6G will incorporate all the advanced ideas and techniques of the contemporary technologies. Currently, the following communication technologies are better than proposed 5G specification. PONs or passive optical network provides high data rates, low latency and better reliability even in terabits. PONs are available which can carry gigantic amount of data, therefore terabits Ethernet will be available very soon. 400 GB per second Ethernet already in use and available. High throughput satellites, which are also called HTS, are capable of dealing with high data rates. For high data rate communication over the oceans, desert and unconnected territories, it is essential to use these kind of technologies. Wi-Fi communication in the access area can provide data rate up to 100 GB per second and beyond it. Let's evaluate the discussion appropriately. The major shortcomings of 5G which lead to the next generation of mobile ICT computer capabilities of 6G devices would be better than those of 5G. Artificial intelligence machine learning applications would find prolific presence in 6G. The deployment of 6G would start around 2030 and it would be very much energy and bandwidth efficient, of course. The new dimensions such as satellite integration are expected to be placed in this new 6G technology. However, this G race in mobile communications would go beyond over 5G. So 6G and other future generations will not create the craze publicity like the previous versions. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching our video. It would be of great pleasure if you could just like and share this video with your friend and family, and also subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Bye bye.